Good morning. Well, happy Saturday. So, just woke up not too long ago. Heading to the office. Dwight Cliff here with Cliff and Cliff. Heading to the office. Today we're going to be painting the porch floor, or not the porch, the garage floor in the shop area. And right now I'm stuck on Rock Candy and another color called Big Chill from Sherwin-Williams. I'm going to Sherwin-Williams right now. I didn't want to order it over the phone. I want to go see it real quick, just the color swatches, just to see if those are the ones that we want to go with. Dwight Senior's back at the office, and he's kind of getting that area prepped right now. And so, all right, let's go to Sherwin. Check it out here soon. I just got here to Sherwin-Williams, and so today we are going to be painting our porch, well, not the porch, our garage, or shop floor. Right now I'm kind of stuck between two different colors, Big Chill and what's the other one called? Oh, Rock Candy. Rock Candy and Big Chill. And so I didn't want to order more. Sorry, somebody was calling, but so I'm not sure if I wanted to go with those two colors. I didn't want to just order them over the phone. I'll see what they look like online, but I just wanted to see the color swatches in person, make sure that's what we want to do. Dwight Senior said he wanted to go with a light gray to kind of lighten up the space in the back there. So that's what we're going to do. So let's go in here and see what they got. So I know I said another color, but now that I'm looking at it, I really like this silver plate and this front porch. Cliff's Construction.
Front porch.
Heck is going on? What's going on?
What's up, bro?
You didn't get the grinder for the floor? What's going on, Drew? How you doing?
All right.
Did I get the grinder for the floor?
Yeah.
I didn't know I wasn't got a grinder for the floor, sir.
Oh, man.
I thought that was somebody else's job this morning.
So I'm supposed to get the paint and the grinder?
Yeah.
GM. Ah, man.
We had a miscommunication or something.
You've been talking about getting a grinder for all this time, and then the day we're supposed to do it, I'm supposed to get the grinder?
But, you know, actually, sometimes all this stuff done no way.
You need to cut something on here?
You can't go down there?
Nah, I'm in. It's your side. I'm over here beautiful.
So we're not going to be painting the porch floor today.
I don't think so.
Not the porch floor, but the garage floor. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one on up because we're not painting today. But next time, I promise you, we will have this floor painted. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about us, Cliff and Cliff, while we're getting it all together. We appreciate your feedback, your views, all that awesome stuff. So, all right, peace out. Dwight Cliff, Cliff and Cliff.